To begin, unscrew the suction hose nut and remove the suction hose. Unscrew the injection stem nut and pull the injection stem assembly straight out from the body of the injector. Set the body aside. On the injection stem, unscrew and remove the check valve nut. Grab the barb and pull the check valve assembly straight out. Set the stem aside for a few minutes. To change the check valve parts, hold the check valve assembly and twist the white top guide a quarter turn counterclockwise and remove. Remove the spring and cone and discard. Pick up the new check valve parts and place the O-ring onto the cone and insert it into the top of the barb. Next, slide the new spring over the shaft and position the new top guide over the shaft. Align the guide, press it down and twist it a quarter turn clockwise to lock. Give it a tug to make sure everything is in position. You can now reinstall the check valve assembly into the stem and hand tighten the check valve nut. Next, pick up the unit. Hold the plunger like this and pinch and roll the plunger seal out of the groove. Pick up the new plunger seal and install it on the plunger by carefully stretching and rolling it into the groove. To finish up, align the notches in the lower part of the blue body with the teeth on the top of the injection stem assembly. Then, hand tighten the injection stem nut. If the scale you prefer is not facing out, just loosen the stem nut and rotate the stem half a turn. Before reconnecting the suction hose, inspect it. If it flares out, cut an inch or so off. Or if the suction hose is cracked, rigid, or looks really old, just go ahead and replace it. Now thread the suction hose nut onto the hose, slide it onto the barb and hand tighten the nut.